All right, hey guys. Today we're going to be doing a short ab circuit, and the first exercise that we're going to do are alternating toe touches. Now you want to do about 10 to 20 reps of these. You want to basically do 10 reps on each leg, so you're going to have a total of 20. Almost there. Just got a few more to go. Now we're going to go right into toe touches. The goal here is to go up, straighten your legs as much as possible, touch the toes, and again, you want to aim for about 10 to 20 reps. There we go. We go right into the next exercise. These are really great to develop the abdominal wall. These are bicycles, and the goal here is to make that elbow hit the outside of the knee and then squeeze when you get to the outside. And you want to do, again, 10 repetitions on each side. So for a total of 20 reps. And these are pretty challenging, so especially you're going from one exercise to the next. So these are really challenging. Now we're going to go right up to more of a standard sit-up with the legs together, Indian style. Come up, touch the toes right there, boom, and then back down. Up, touch the toes. You're going to inhale on the way down and exhale on the way up. Inhale on the way down and exhale on the way up. We're going to get in 10 to 20 reps on this exercise as well. Focusing on keeping the chin up. You can see how I raise my arms up there a little bit higher, right there, really reaching for the sky. Here we go. Finishing up here. And we're going to go right into the next exercise. So we're just going to hold this plank type position. We're going to bring those knees up, drive them up. Really focusing on keeping the core tight. Keep the back as flat as possible. You don't want to be rounded or dip down. You want to keep those ab muscles really tight. And if you can't quite get the knee up all the way, just hold the plank. You can start there. Just hold the plank. And if you need to modify even more than that, you can just drop to your knees and just hold the plank like that. So there's always ways to modify these things, guys. Now here we go. We're going to actually raise, elevate, get in the side plank, going to work those nice obliques. Again, this is a really good stabilizing exercise. So we're going to keep those hips coming up, driving up high, engage in that core, and you can do some variations here. If you can't quite lift your hips up, then you can just do a side plank and hold. You don't necessarily have to lift the hips up. And you'll see I do a little variation here where you can actually bring your hand down underneath of you and then raise up. This is a little bit more of an intense exercise doing it this way, but a really great exercise. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.